Today is our first day of welding. We actually finna start the MIG welding process, so I'm gonna kind of guide her and hold her hand. We just got through making the plate and she did some grinding. So now we're actually about to run a bead. So I'm gonna gather and kind of show y'all how I teach them how to do it.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Good there. Now I'm gonna hold your hand. You get it situated.
Okay.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
All right. Now before we start, we always start here and we'll act like we're welding to make sure we're comfortable.
All right.
Are you comfortable right there?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay. So if we start here and we finish here, you still comfortable?
Yeah.
That's the main thing. Okay. So, all right, watch your legs. So the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna have you hit the trigger, but I'm gonna be guiding your hand, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go. Now you gotta keep it straight, keep your gun straight. Yeah, just like this. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Hit the trigger.
Where is it?
Right here in front of your hand, right here.
Okay.
No, let me do it. You just hold the trigger. I want you to feel me because you ain't never did this, so you don't know what you're doing. So you feel me?
Yeah.
I just want you to feel what I'm doing. We're just trying to make a small bead. Okay. All right, let's go to it. That was your first weld. Woo! Didn't do bad now. Didn't do bad. What you think about it? So
Yeah, I liked it. Okay. I felt it.
So that's the main thing is to feel it. So the goal is with this process, we're gonna use your soapstone.
Okay.
We're gonna put another line here, and we're gonna do the next weld right beside this, which is cutting this one in half.
Right.
So we're gonna try it again. I'm gonna guide you, and you see how close I had to be?
Yeah.
You're gonna stay about 3/8 of an inch. The wire's coming out at the same time, so you ain't got to keep pushing down. You just stay down at that one angle, and you drag it all the way.
All right.
So with this one, right, we drag this one. Now we're gonna push it. We're gonna start here, because that's literally how you do MIG.
Right.
You wanna push it.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna start here on this end.
All right.
All right, so now we're gonna start here, and we're going this way.
All right. I'm gonna get my finger.
Get your hand right. Hold it like you're gonna be holding it for real. Don't hurt the trigger though.
That's all right.
Just hold it like you're gonna hold it. Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
All right, hit the trigger.
Okay.
Woo! That was our second one. Wasn't bad.
Wasn't bad. I kind of went out to the side there.
But wasn't bad though. So now, you see, as we do this, it's pretty much keeping it at one thing and
Right.
pushing. But you want to always push it instead of dragging. Now you can drag both of them. You can weld this way and that way with the MIG.
Right.
But I would say get more comfortable on pushing it because it
Okay.
makes the weld look better.
Yeah.
So if you right-handed, you start from here to here and
Okay.
just push it in. So
So
you
I
do
try
your,
by myself.
yeah, you're gonna hold this here. We're gonna hit it and we're gonna start there. I'm gonna watch you. Now I'm still gonna go over here just in case I need to guide you.
All right.
But I want you to hold it. And
All
the
right.
goal is to stay right beside the other one. So get it comfortable. Yep. Get it comfortable. You want to get about 8. Get about 8. Oh, look. Don't hit the trigger till you're ready. You steady hitting the trigger.
Okay.
You don't hit the trigger till you're ready to weld. So you steady pushing the
Am
line.
I ready?
I don't know. Are you? You tell me. Get closer. If you're too far away from it, get closer.
I can't do
Closer.
it. I'm scared without you. I was messing up.
Hold it again, because you weren't listening to me.
I'm sorry.
All right,
Mr.
hold
Joe.
it back up. You hit the gun and just went with it. All right, now hold it, get it back where you need to have
All
it.
right.
Get comfortable with the gun.
All right.
All right, get close to it. Now, what's what you do? You didn't see me hit
Right
the trigger. Yeah, and you want to stay about an 1/8 inch. You want to stay close
Right here.
and then start. You don't hit the trigger and go up like this. You got to keep it tight.
All right. Woo.
You got to keep it tight.
All right.
All right. Good. Just hold it. Slow down. You're just all over the place.
I am, Mr. Joe. I'm sorry.
It's gonna be all right. This is your first time. This is your first time. You're gonna be all right.
That's
But
the
you
best
gotta-
stuff. Look how
you
good
gotta
it was
control
when you
it.
did it. Look at it different. I know I'm gonna get better though. It is my first day.
So hold it again.
All right.
You got to hold it like you control it. Don't hold it like when you hit it, you like this here.
Yeah.
Hold it like you control it, like you got a hammer and you about to knock somebody out.
Okay.
All right, then you know how to do that, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, then hold it tight. And when you doing your circle, all right, you ready?
Yeah. I was better. I seen you doing better this time.
Yeah, you did do better.
Woo!
You did do better. Now, the goal is to start over again. Now we're going to start. This is going to be the last one for the day because it's about time for us to wrap up.
Okay.
So we're going to start here. The main thing is get your hand comfortable.
All right, because I was better then. I was a lot
Exactly. I
better.
want you to watch what I was doing.
Okay, yes, sir. All
It's
right.
3/8.
Okay.
All right, you see this stick out I got?
Yes, sir.
About a half inch.
Okay.
All right, so this is how close you need to be to this plate at all times.
Okay.
About this close. You never come back like you stay tight like this
This can make a circle.
the whole time. But not just making circles. You see I was pushing, I was making sure I was staying right beside it.
Yeah.
You got to watch what you're doing. You don't want to do it like this.
Yeah. Okay, like
That's
I
what
was
your
doing.
hand did. Yeah, you was just
Awesome, my
you did
bad.
this here.
Woo, I know.
That ain't gonna get it. You got to control it. Exactly. Act like it's a hammer. Act like that's a pen. You know how to write your name, right?
Yeah.
It's the same way. You control it just like it's a piece of paper and a pen.
Oh, look at this. What's the
All right,
difference?
it's gonna be all right once you get the trigger. Just keep that in mind. You controlling it. When you hit it, you control it. All right, I'm watching. Slow down, slow down. That's it. So you start it. That's better. Get closer. That's better. Okay. Keep going. I'm letting you do this on your own. Get close. Get closer means go down. Yeah. See, you okay, you better though. You better, you alright. Keep doing it. I want you to think, get closer to it. You're going back too far. You gotta stay down on it. You can't get no quicker, get your hand in the job. Keep that in the mind. You gotta stay close, keep your hand on it. Yeah. That's it right there. That's it. You hear that sound? That sound that tells you in there. That's what you're supposed to do. Check that out. She did good, fam. Check out her first wheel. It's a little fat, but she did it though. She did it though. She did it. Hold on, fam. We out.